This is the Inza at-home IPL hair removal device with 9 energy levels and a maximum of 16.5 joules of hair follicle blasting energy. It has manual and auto glide mode and an ice cool skin soothing head, providing a painless long-term hair removal experience. I was sent this to review and I love it, so let me show you a closer look. Contact us. Hair removal device quick guide, cleaning cloth, JD TM016, in the hair removal device user's guide, and the main attraction. Here is your power cord. It is not a wireless device. No IPL is that I'm aware of. They need some major power. Your protective eyewear. These are green tinted, really fun and important to use. They do make it a bit dark, but not extremely dark. So they're very easy to use your IPL hair removal device with your protective eyewear on. No problem. So here's the device. It is so cute. I love the look. Very simple design. A rose gold on white. I love it. We'll go ahead and take this protective film off. This is gonna be your LED screen, your power. There's your trigger. That is where the light is going to flash to destroy the hair follicles. 2-prong plug. The opposite end gets plugged into the bottom. It's a nice long cord, and they do have cord management on there, so it's easy to keep this stored away compactly in your bedside table, in your linen closet, in the bathroom cabinet, you name it. Can even travel with this. Just be careful of traveling internationally. You want to make sure that the power is suitable. And the plug. This was hiding, but you've also got a little razor because you do have to shave before every treatment. This is very important for a couple of reasons. One being, if the hair is long, it may increase the risk of burning your skin. Basically, the light is attracted to the darker hair that's contrasted against the skin. And so it's going to be attracted to the hair and then follow it down the follicle. If it's too long on top of your skin, the skin might get that heat as well, which you want to avoid. And also, if your hair is like too long and dense and stuff, then you may not be hitting every follicle. So those are the 2 reasons that you're gonna want to shave before every treatment. Worth it. Worth it. I've been doing IPL for about 1.5 years. I love it. I reviewed the Inza a while ago. It's a great device. I have reviewed several, I want to say like 5 or 6 different devices. The good thing about that is that I can compare them all. The bad thing about that is that I cannot compare one against another as far as effectiveness, because I know how my hair is doing, but I can't attribute it to one single device since I've tried so many over the last 1.5 years, if that makes sense. But let me go over the features. I'm going to show using it and all of that. I've got it plugged in, then you're just going to power it on. There are 9 power levels. You just keep hitting that power button. It'll go up and down until you reach the level that you want. So the higher the level, the more power, but it may be too much power for the more delicate areas. So I would say for your legs, go for a higher power. For your armpits, kind of a little bit lower. And for your private areas, your bikini line and whatnot, you may want to go down real low to like a 1 or 2. Basically, go as high as you can without any pain and without any kind of burning or reaction. This rose gold window, can you see the condensation there? That's because it gets ice cold. Like, look at that. Ooh, ice cold to keep your skin really nice and cold, because this flash, really powerful flash of light, it's hot. That's what's destroying your hair follicles. So this ice cold window is so important in an IPL device, and this Inza one is great. As you go along, this is going to detect when it's covered by skin and allow you to pull that trigger. If you don't have it covered by skin, it's gonna know it, and it's going to protect your eyes and not flash. So that's a cool safety feature of this. We're gonna put it on a 5. We're gonna do our pits, goggles on, and we're gonna look away. It's warm. You can feel the heat, but it doesn't hurt. For fun. Going up to a 9 because I wanna give you the honest reaction here. I'm scared. The 5 and the 9 felt exactly the same. Barely barely you can feel the warmth, but zero pain. This thing is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. Another really great feature is the auto glide mode. If you hold this, that little symbol will come on, meaning it's on auto glide. As long as you have this covered by skin, it's just going to flash on an even timeline. As soon as it's kind of recharged from the last flash, it'll flash again. So you just kind of glide it along, or you can pick it up at even increments. Really helpful, easy to use. That's especially great for large areas like your legs, mustache, chin hairs, armpits, bikini, legs, toes, you name it. You can get them all with this Inza IPL device. It's cute, it's compact, it's powerful, it's painless. Again, if you didn't shave well, or if your skin tone is too dark for this, or if you have a big mole or a tattoo or something that's really dark, that light might pick up on it and you might have some pain. So for the most part, I will say painless if you're using it right. I just love it, and I know you will too. Affiliate link below to shop and get yours.